is up, you guys? So today we're going to be doing handlebars on my Grom. I've done levers, axle sliders, and I have a new breed stunt cage because I didn't want to drop my brand new bike. So this is a mod I should have done a long time ago, and I don't know, I've just been slipping. The handlebars I bought are the Pro Taper 7/8 Honda Minis, and they're slightly like more leaned forward, so it'll have a little bit more of like a sporty posture. The stock handlebars on the Grom, it is just not it. It's so like Harley, like sitting in a chair upright, and I'm just not really into that. But I don't know how much more I'm gonna do to it, just because like the goal is to upgrade to an R3 like as soon as I can, but there's still more that I want to learn before I upgrade to a heavier bike. But that will be happening. An R3 is in my future, and you guys will get to see that. But for now, we're just doing handlebars. Without further ado, let's get into it. So I already ran into a problem. The bar end would not come off, but we'll come back to that later. These are the magnetic tips. How fancy. What the hell? Why'd that fly just do a drive-by? Let that shit dangle. Oh, it's butter. Come on. Come on. Come on. And the new bars are on. It took about an hour and a half. She's a little dusty, don't look at that. So here we have the old posture with the stock bars and the new posture with the Pro Tapers. I'm pretty happy with it. I could definitely tell a difference when we went out riding later. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun making it, so I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
You alright?
Oh shit.
Hey, Pen. Don't go. You can't. Alright, Pen.
Penny.